Hey YouTubers, so this is a unboxing, unwrapping video for Terminator 2 Judgment Day, starring one of my used to be all-time heroes, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Um, this is the 4K Ultra HD, Blu-ray, and Digital HD. So, let's see. On the back, it does not tell you much of anything about what's on the different discs. There it is. Actually, so disc 1 is the movie 4K, and disc 2 is the Blu-ray movie and special feature. So all the special features are on there. It's a 55-minute documentary, which includes exclusive interviews with Arnold Schwarzenegger, James Cameron, Edward Furlong, and more. There's 2 deleted scenes, audio commentary, 2 feature commentaries, the making of T2, 30-minute featurette, view 3 different versions of the film. Oh, that's kind of cool, 3 different versions. So let me unwrap this. Alright, so let me see, on the outside we had the slip cover. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Gotta love doing this with one hand. That's what my videos are famous for. One-handed unboxing unwrappings. Sad thing is I have a tripod right there. A nice tripod too, not a cheap tripod. Alright, so we got that open. So, alright, so inside the case is Blu-ray, DTS HD for master audio there. Then our 4K disc, as well as a digital copy. So most likely I'll get a message from somebody asking for the digital copy. I use all of my digital copies. I have about a 1,400 some video collection and Voodoo, so I will actually be using it. But thanks for inquiring. If you have any questions about the 4K set, comment below. Thank you.